they are using finely chopped onions for salting. That time they have used. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing great. Today I have dropped down to Mariappan-Palia, a cafe or a restaurant name called Happy Platter. So whether it's cafe or restaurant, after going inside we'll get to know. So as of now, let it be cafe itself. About this cafe, when I was passing towards my house, I just saw this on Saturday. So let's go inside and speak about from how many years this resto or cafe is open. So here is Mr. Anish. He is the owner of Happy Platter. Sir, first question for you is, Happy Platter is a cafe or a restaurant?
So it's a quick service restaurant.
Okay.
So we are a pure veg quick service restaurant.
Okay.
And the reason why we came up with the name Happy Platter also is because we have a varied options that we give.
Okay.
So in addition to your, we have starters, soup, nachos, momos,
Okay.
rolls, parathas, rice, noodles. All of these are available over here. So that's the reason why we came up with the name of Happy Platter.
Okay. This is there from how long?
It's been here from 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And so what is the most selling dish of this Happy Platter restaurant?
So our hero product will be the steamed momos.
Okay.
And chili garlic noodles.
Okay.
Spring roll.
Spring rolls.
And we have crispy corn.
Okay.
And paneer chili. A lot of people like our paneer chili. So these are the few top selling items.
Okay. Sir, and one more, last and final one. So after pandemic, you might not have like walk-in. So you do delivers?
Yes, we have a Swiggy, Zomato, and then we deliver directly also.
Okay. Denzo, you mean to say?
Yeah, Dunzo also.
Okay.
And then we have, so delivery is something that has really picked up in the past 1.5 years since the pandemic has hit us.
Okay.
But yeah, we are seeing a good number of people walking in too, and delivery also.
Okay. So Happy Platter is a pure veg restaurant. Now it's time to taste some good food. I'm waiting for the food. It's almost like 2:30. I'm so hungry. Here are Manchurian momos. So on top, the spring onions has been sprinkled. I love to use my hands, not fork or spoon. They have made it freshly and it's really very hot. The outer layer is really very thin and the garlic taste is there. The sauce, whatever they have used for this, it is a bit spicy. Inside this, I can see some cabbage. Finely chopped garlic has been used. It's really crisp. At last, slightly sweetness is there. Black pepper is being used for salting. When they are using sauce, when they are using finely chopped onions for salting, that time they have used. The crispiness taste of this Manchurian momos is in next level. And taste of this momos are really very good. It tastes similarly to gobi manchuri itself. Here is mixed veg loaded nachos. On top I can see some mayonnaise and sauce is also being used. This is in fact my favorite. Amazing taste. It's sweet because of tomato ketchup. As the name is, the dish is similar to that. They have used fresh veggies like capsicum, tomatoes and some chilies also. So let me go for a big bite so that all the vegetables will be there on top. It's really very cold. I think they had kept tomato ketchup and mayonnaise in fridge, so it's really very cold. This nachos is being prepared in this Happy Platter resto itself. they don't get it from outside. Here is crispy fried baby corn roll. For roll, outside roti which they have put for this is wheat. Big time thing that where in this cafe I'm seeing that they have given for roll in wheat. Usually they use maida. Let me go for the first bite. This outer part is really very crisp, and inside the baby corn sticks they have put like that itself. They have fried it and they have put inside this roll. The taste is really very good and it's a bit spicy because they have used Szechuan sauce, I feel. Yes, they have used Szechuan sauce, they have used mayonnaise. The baby corn is being salted well in the sauce and then they have put inside this roll. The chili is also there inside this. Because of the chilies and because of Szechuan sauce itself, the spiciness is there and the outside crispiness is really amazing. Here is chili garlic noodles. I can see lot and lot of veggies in this noodles and they have fried also. This is the most selling dish of this Happy Platter Resto. So let me go for the first bite. In the first bite itself, there is a lot and lot of capsicum and carrot has been added in the spoon. The chili taste is also there and the garlic taste is also there in this. And veggies, whatever they have put in the noodles, whatever they have sprinkled as masala that has got sticked and that has got completely firm in this noodle as well as vegetables. They have used black pepper and they have put this garlic also in this and finely chopped onions also and even chilies. And they have used spring onion also. The slightly sweetness is there in this noodles. So here is ham panna at last. Having bit spicy food, I love to have some beverages. They have put soda also in this. Slightly raw mango taste, as name is Aam Panna. On top, small green, that outside raw mango is being grated and put in this Aam Panna. Yes, slightly today sun is more, so I'm sweating also. This is must and should after having bit of spicy food. They have slightly sprinkled chaat masala also. It's very good for digestion purpose. At last, if you are taking this Aam Panna. Guys, finally I finished my food. Half of my stomach is filled, another half it's still empty because my diet is waiting at house. If someone is following something like a veg day, something like that, then you can drop down here. People who are pure veg, then definitely I personally recommend you people to come down here and try food. It's really good and the quality and the quantity is really the best, I can say. They prepare each and every dish fresh and with lot of love loaded in that. The price and the location will be mentioned in the description part. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.